Traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, August 1st, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar yen, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So, on the US dollar yen, big push down. Definitely looks like the end of a wave 5 for sure. If it is the end of a wave 5, then it probably will eventually, and this is the monthly, so definitely eventually, take out the low of wave 4. We got to keep an eye on it though, because there is always a possibility that it does go back up. Looking at other yen pairs, a lot of them do look like eventually, maybe in like 6 months or so, they will end up going back up. So going down to the weekly time frame, we definitely have a breaker structure. That proves to me that this whole series of waves right here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, is complete. Now it could possibly still be a correction. It could easily still make some sort of a three-way pullback and still continue up. But looking at the higher time frames, I mean the monthly time frame, I think it is pretty likely that it will take out the low of wave 4. And I'm trading with the trend anyway, so I'm definitely looking for shorts on sort of time frames anyways. Taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, this is definitely all one trend the whole way down, and I definitely don't see any break of structure or anything telling me the trend is over. I would call this trend either a wave A or a wave 1. Either scenario, definitely no sign of it being over, and I'm definitely still looking for shorts on sort of time frames. Heading down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, the last structure level is way up here, which is going to turn me into a buyer if it does break that structure. But I'm definitely looking for shorts based on all the higher time frames. We are at the 61% fib, probably is going to be a pretty likely area to start a pullback. But even if it does start a pullback, I am definitely not going long. I'm definitely patiently waiting for more sorting opportunities for a continuation of the downtrend. Really, if you did nothing but short this thing on every single pullback over the last like 4 weeks, you would have a lot of money in your trading account right now. So heading down to the 1 hour time frame, I'm definitely looking for shorts. This to me definitely looks like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we're at a Fibonacci level, so I think there is a pretty good chance that this is going to go up. Now, I'm personally not looking for any longs. I'm not looking to go long, but if you are a short time frame trader, maybe you could get some longs out of it. I'm more of a swing trader, so I am patiently waiting for the end of this correction. I'm patiently waiting for a breaker structure to the downside to go long for the continuation of the downtrend. So, in a ways, thank you, and as always, happy trading.